Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Saggis, please. This one. Okay, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Saggis. And the card I have here for you, Sagittarius, is peaceful. This is a blessing. Let's see why this card is here. Maybe you guys are now at peace. Have you been fighting or something? Or maybe there's some need to bring some peace into this relationship now. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely comments, your likes, your shares, your support to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you. And if you're new here, Sagittarius, we welcome you to join us. Do subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in, Saggis. And newbies, this is just going to be a small little mini love bite, as I like to call it. Your longer reads have already been put up. I'll leave a link at the end of the video in case you'd like to view those as well. This is just to check if there's any message for you now. I have the star card here, Sagittarius, but it's in reverse at the moment. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Wands upright. 10 of Cups. 6 of Cups. Knight of Swords. The Emperor. Moon. 5 of Swords. And the Ace of Cups. Yes, there is a need to bring peace into your life once again, Sagittarius. From what I feel, there has been a fight, just as I suspected. There has been some harsh words spoken, maybe very rash, maybe very quick, very hurting. Somebody has done or said something which has kind of made you feel emotionally quite bad, right? Now you have your defenses up because things haven't taken off. Now all the memories created with this person are not that great. You feel this person is very controlling, like a dictator, tries to appear superior, whereas they are not, but they try and pretend to be. They always try and, kind of push you down or make you feel you're not good enough, maybe, or you always feel like the loser in the relationship. All these, now you're not confused anymore. All these secrets are now out in the open. And yes, maybe you're now feeling, what's the point? There is no real love here because none of my dreams have come true with this person, right? Or you don't want them to become anymore. So let's take some dialogue message cards, Sagittarius, and see what's happening here. Then we'll clarify these cards. Thank you. Let's take a few more. One more. One more, Spirit. Oh, okay. Thank you. So this one really jumped out. Let's see what this is. I knew you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in to allow it to shine back out into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. Exactly what I was saying. This person thinks they're bigger than they are. They try and behave all bossy and, I'll tell you what to do and this is how you should do things. Actually, this is a weak person who only pretends or likes to give orders so that they can feel superior. Right? They always like to push another person down and make them lose. It's always their way or the highway. So the other partner saying, I know you think you've broken me, but hey, give it up, okay? I'm fine. I've resurrected. I have a few cracks, but that's only helped me to grow into an even better version of myself. You think of settling yourself. Fix yourself first. Okay, that's a positive way to look at it. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision and taking action towards me. The thought of being with you one day is what gets me through today. So this could be this king who probably likes to give orders and, direct the relationship as to say, hey, we won't be together now, but maybe one day we'll be together. It frustrates me that I can't connect with anyone else the way I connect with you sexually. Our sexual connection is magical and no one else compares. And that's the reason the connection I think it became only a passionate or a sex-based connection here. But when it came to the real thing, there were no emotions offered or involved here. And that's the reason one person is now very frustrated and feeling, where's the love? Where's the love here? I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life. Like this person is begging. I needed emotional satisfaction. Where is that? Where is the love? Where is the happiness that we are supposed to have in a relationship? What about my dreams? Will they ever come true? You never ever offer me any love. I would like you to come and meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you're my world and I want everyone to know. Last card. You were in my dreams again last night. I always dream of you every night. You are my ultimate fantasy. Now this again I think is this king of this emperor in reverse who's using, I think, their partner as a sexual fantasy or a physical as well, but maybe you guys are not together right now, but they don't want to make anything a reality. It's always fantasy. It's always maybe, you know what I mean, right? So let's just clarify these cards and see where we're going from here. Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Again, same card. No new beginning because no emotional satisfaction. 10 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse. So how can you have a brand new beginning, Sagittarius, if there is no emotions involved or there is no emotional satisfaction to be had? 9 of Wands. 9 of Wands. One or both people, I think, in this relationship always keep their emotions guarded and makes the other person feel always like a loser. They never find victory with their partner because, there is this guardedness going on that, hey, listen, I'll let you come this close, but not closer. Okay, then otherwise my emotions get caught and I don't want that. So this could be this emperor in reverse trying to direct this relationship to say, I am going to keep myself guarded. I'm not going to allow you into my world. And that makes their partner feel humiliated. Literally humiliated, embarrassed, ashamed that they can't take their partner out, they can't publicly, tell their friends and family about this partner because they never kind of bring any happiness. Maybe their partner had dreams of one day having a stable relationship, of maybe being their wife or their partner, having some kind of a position in this emperor's life, but I don't think they've been offered that. Because this card was sideways, right? So this was the crossing energy of why this relationship is not taking place. Now, whatever memories that have been created now, Sagittarius, are not that great. Somebody is still thinking about the past, but the memories are not that good. There is a lot of sadness. There's a feeling of rejection, dejection, boredom, and just memories of the past which are not that great anymore. There is no happiness, at least for one person here. Sagittarius, this could be you, right? Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. Of course, I could be picking up your cross watches energy. That's why I say this person. So you would know whether you are you are here, or this is your partner feeling this way about you. Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. The fight probably happened because somebody wanted to have a rebirth of the connection, or maybe have a rebirth of the way this connection was. That, okay, we've been friends or sexually attached for so long. How about now we have a transformation, and take it to the next level? I think this could have been refused here, Sagittarius, and that's what led to this anger, fight, upset. Could have been a bad moment when this fight took place. Emperor in reverse, Spirit. Emperor in reverse. Or maybe this is yet to come. I don't know, Sagittarius. This could still be happening here. Somebody is now kind of in a self-imposed prison of their mind. They keep on thinking and thinking and thinking about these rash words which were spoken probably, which are hurting, which are not that great, right? And this was regarding a commitment. What's this? Emperor in reverse, Spirit? Emperor in reverse. The King of Cups upright. So this was a person, whoever this person is in your life, Sagittarius, or maybe this is you, I don't know. So whoever this this emperor is like a dictator, is powerful, yes, but they use their power in a very negative way. This is a person who can come towards you and show you love and then withdraw. They're emotionally unavailable. King of Cups is a card of a person who's emotionally unavailable. They are in and out with their emotions, to be honest. In fact, they have none. They emotionally manipulate the other person to give them emotions when they need it. Excuse me. But they are not there for the long haul. And I think all this has now come out in the open with the Moon card in reverse. It's all out in the open now. Maybe there was a confrontation as to why do you behave like this? Why do you, sometimes I feel that you love me and sometimes I feel that you are not available for me. Why do you do this? So once all these secrets have been revealed, I think one partner may be now moving out to see what else is out there. Maybe looking for a fresh new beginning here. Five of Swords, Spirit. Five of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody's made a choice here. They feel if there's no love offer going to come towards me, if nobody's going to say anything nice to me or even apologize to me, then I think it's time to make a decision, because I will always feel like I lost. I keep losing each time I'm with this person, because I always feel that they get their way and I'm always made to feel like the underdog. So the love is kind of on its way out, it seems, Sagittarius. The Ace of Cups is in reverse. So the love is kind of draining out. Yes, one or both people are totally holding back at the moment. God, one or both people are totally holding back. The cup of love is draining out at the moment, Sagittarius. The feminine, who is very, very beautiful, who's very loving, caring, kind, I think has put a lid on this cup of love. If you see carefully, there's a lid on this cup, right? So she's saying, okay, so now if you're not going to give to me, I won't give to you. And this person anyways is a very stingy person with their emotions, so they are anyways holding back. I think it's time to find your peace here in the Sagittarius in this situation. Right now, neither of you are investing in this relationship. Okay, one person wanted to, one person wants to, and now see the lights have gone out as well. So let's take that as a sign that it's time to stop investing and take care of your own finances, own well-being, and make yourself strong at the moment. Try and find peace within yourself. Okay, Sagittarius, sorry it wasn't that happy reading today, but God bless you. Love and light. Namaste.